for this video, I'll be discussing about genetically modified organisms or GMOs and how they affect human life, the environment, and our health. I'll also answer questions about biodiversity and the impact of social media in our daily lives. So, let's begin. First, the participation of GMOs in human lives and environment. First, GMOs on human lives. GMOs plays a big role in improving human life. One of the best example is the virus-resistant papaya, also known as rainbow papaya. It is genetically modified to resist papaya ring spot virus or PRSV. Before GMOs, this virus nearly destroyed papaya farms in Hawaii and other countries. Thanks to genetic modification, papayas became healthy again, and farmers recovered, and papaya prices stabilized. Even some medicines like insulin for diabetic patients are created using genetically modified bacteria. Because of this, GMOs help improve health, nutrition, and food security. Next, GMOs and the environment. GMOs also affect the environment in both positive and negative ways. On the positive side, some GMO crops like BT corn naturally fight pests, meaning farmers don't have to use as many harmful pesticides. And this helps keep the soil and water cleaner. And some GMOs can also grow in tough conditions like drought, which helps farmers adapt to climate change. However, there are concerns that GMOs can affect ecosystems, especially if modified genes spread to wild plants. Because of this, GMO use needs careful monitoring. So how do GMOs affect human lifespan? GMOs may influence human lifespan by improving nutrition through fortified or enhanced crops. When people get enough vitamins and nutrients, they are less likely to suffer from deficiencies that shorten life expectancy. Until now, scientific studies show no confirmed evidence that approve GMOs shorten human lifespan. Most research states that GMOs currently available in the market are safe to eat based on existing data. Now, let's answer the question: is biodiversity good or bad for our health? So, biodiversity is very good for our health. A diverse environment provides clean air, fresh water, and a stable supply of food. When ecosystems are balanced, harmful organisms do not grow too much. High biodiversity also reduces the spread of diseases. On the other hand, losing biodiversity can lead to poor nutrition, fewer natural resources, and more environmental problems. Next question is, how does social media impact our lives? So, social media greatly impacts how we live today. It changes the way we communicate, learn, and express ourselves. Through social media, we can easily stay connected with people, gain information instantly, and even find inspiration or opportunities. However, it also brings challenges when not used properly. Lastly, let's talk about the positive and negative effects of social media. The positive effects. Social media helps us stay connected with family and friends. It gives us quick access to information and educational materials. It also creates opportunities for online business and content creation. And it helps spread awareness on important issues like health, environment, and current events. The negative effects. Social media can distract us from studying or in our responsibilities. It may cause anxiety, stress, or low self-esteem. It exposes people to cyberbullying and online harassment. And it also spreads misinformation when people share unverified content. In summary, GMOs play an important role in improving food production, human health, and the environment. Although they still need careful monitoring, biodiversity remains essential for a healthy ecosystem, and social media continues to shape our lives both positively and negatively. Understanding these topics helps us make better decisions for ourselves and our community. Thank you for watching.